Okay, and just a little final thing here. Now we have this drawing. You can't send it to somebody if they don't have SolidWorks so they can look at it. But if you want to send it to somebody without, you can either print it out and send it, or you can use this neat thing they have called an eDrawing, which you do not need to have any of this technology to do it. And it's super, super simple to create an eDrawing from a drawing. So we're here at the drawings. You just come up here to File, and for some reason my computer's not bringing it up. Go to File, go down here, Publish to eDrawing, hit Enter, select which sheets that you're going to send to eDrawing, say OK, and it will generate the drawing. And there you go. Now you can send this to somebody, and there's a lot of neat things about eDrawing that you can play around with. And as you notice that right now it's all in solid frame. So you can sit there and you can put it to hidden frame, or you can put it back at the shaded. You can take a look at different parts of the things and actually rotate the drawing so you can see the different parts of it. So let's put it at the isometric there, and you can actually see there's my cutout away view. It's showing that to you. Back here, you'd be able to see the other views. Computer's not really that powerful enough to really play around with that. But it's neat to be able to do stuff like this and take a look at it. So, but this is an eDrawing. And as I said, you can play around with things and you can do some stuff to it. But the major thing about this is it allows you to generate a file that you can send to somebody.